Okay, here's some eBay stuff I cleaned up. So this was a rusty 45 case I bought a while ago. So it's a 58 and later style. There's your number right there. So that's the right side case, obviously. It's pretty, get the light out, there we go. It's pretty corroded. Definitely nasty looking. See all the corrosion in here, all through here. It's pretty dirty. Not too bad on the inside. I don't really see any damage on anything. It's just corroded. The bottom here is very heavily corroded. All through here. It's all eaten up around the motor mount. Look how bad that is. It's thick. Thick as hell. But the important parts that matter are still good. The motor mounts are nice and damaged. Even though it's all rusted around it, the motor mount itself is tight, never loose. Looks really good. This obviously is an East Coast trike that just let corrode like crazy. Didn't care about it. Typical police application. Nobody cares about them. It'd be a trike motor, obviously. So with the inside here, it's all nice and good. This is pretty rusty. I know it's going to be bad, but the case is no corrosion at all near it. All your gasket surfaces are nice and clean. It's what you're looking for. So these late 58, and this is damage here where they hit the dowel, either shipping or manhandling it, broke the case out. That was done after the fact. It's like having something fixed after you buy it. Anyway, these late cases, they have webbing over here for the alternator. Because they had well, it's a generator mount here, but they had an alternator out here. So they took the saddle out that used to be in here for the generator, took that out. And they put this reinforcement here to help keep from breaking the end of the case off. And they redid the case a little bit. So whenever you see a case like this, it's 58 and up. Otherwise, they go back to 37, or not 30, 40. 39, 40. What year they changed the case race on a Harley? 39, they went to the modern case race on a 45. It was 40 on a big twin. 45 was first. That's the race you can push in and out easily. The earlier ones, they were in a blind hole. Stupid design. So, anyway. Like most things Harley do, they experiment with a lower end model before they do it to an upgrade to the high end knucklehead flathead stuff. Big dollar crap. Yeah, too bad that's damaged. That's the only damage in the case is right there. And that's definitely post taken apart. So this thing was pretty nasty looking, a lot of corrosion, but overall once you clean it off, it's not too bad. There you go. Looks pretty good. And you wonder where I get my parts from, it's eBay. So right here I'm doing watching the auctions ending right now. So what does this stupid clutch cable go for? This one went for 30 bucks, Sportster clutch cable. Turn the light off for that. eBay crap. This guy likes stripping bikes. So I just keep track of what's coming up here. See, it's how you pay attention to what stuff sells for. So you got some stuff here sold for 34 bucks, just a clamp, some harness, capacitor for a magneto bike. That's some other stuff I've won. Waiting for me to pay for it. There's the frame. They stripped a 65 Sportster is what they did here. So I'm just seeing kind of what prices go for. I've been outbid on all this stuff, obviously. So $265. If you want to see what's really going on, you go here into bid history, pop it up here and see who was bidding for it. So get an idea what pricing is. The expensive guys didn't bid. So there's me down here. I bid 100 bucks. It's 250 shipping, so you're paying 350 actually. This guy went to outbid me. Then this guy came in at 200 bucks. He went higher again because this guy didn't have enough money to outbid that guy, and he stopped at that point. So you had two guys who are willing to pay some money, and you got three cheap ones like me down here at the $100 level. So you can get an idea what things are going for. What's this, a wheel or something? Yeah, there's the rear wheel, 200 bucks. Yeah, whatever. Stupid. Ah, fucking laptop. Whatever, I want that picture. There you go, rear wheel for a Sportster. Stupid touch screen, kind of works. What's this case? It is, whoa, holy shit, that's a lot of money. That's the highest I've ever seen a Sportster case sell for. $15.25, plus 50 shipping. $1,600 for a set of Sportster cases. 65 CH. They're nice. I didn't see anything wrong with them. I've never seen a Sportster case sell for over $1,000. Damn. How many dumbasses are out there buying that? Okay, you had me down to $200. 8376 are going at it up to here. They bailed at 400. This AE guy or A6 came in at 650. That's getting pretty high. Then you got two dumbasses coming, 66 and 3E, 1500 and 525. Damn. Normally 600 would have been a very high case. That's pretty damn high, but I've never seen prices this high. It's like they're bidding on damn Harley parts. That's ridiculous. Oh well. That was the last thing. So anyway, all of this stuff was just sold. Rear fender went for 300. That ugly seat went for 66 bucks, I think. I don't think it went higher than that. I got tons of those things new. Front wheel 300. The fork went for 870, I think. Whoop. Didn't mean to click on that, but yeah, 870. So come on, get out of there. Motor mount went for like 60. Stupid case bolts and shit were going for a lot of money. Exhaust, crappy exhaust went for over 150. Front fender's 300. These stupid damn foot peg mounts went for 150 or something. Ridiculous. Tranny went for a lot of money. 300 and something bucks, I think. Or no, I went more than that. It was for 500 bucks. Yeah, 521. Plus shipping, 30. So yeah, 560 for a used tranny. It only fits one case. Trap doors aren't interchangeable. Shock went for 130. I got some of those. Clutch stuff went for a couple hundred. This cable went for a lot of money. Couldn't believe it. Over 100 bucks for a stupid thing. Anyway, you get an idea what stuff goes for. These are all before the auction ends. When the auction ends, this went to 180. This thing went way the hell up there. I couldn't believe it. $66. It's broken too. Was it 250? Yeah, 250 bucks for a stupid chain guard. It's an early one, but damn. Late one has the bracket up here. Damn, it's broken. It's missing this much off. It comes about this far forward. It's missing. Stupid. But anyway, like this, you can keep a track, see what's going for what. You know, if you care about this stuff, you can look at it. These kicker covers go for a lot of money. 300 bucks, damn, for a kicker cover. That's welded up. That's a lot of money. I think that one's welded. No, that one doesn't look welded. That might actually be a good one. Cylinders and heads weren't too bad in pricing. This oil tank went for $375, I think, which is actually pretty cheap. But mag went for a lot. I think it was 5 something. Yeah. Anyway, you can see all this stuff sells for, and you can argue what the value of crap is when you're buying it. So when you're buying junk like this, then you know how much you're overpaying. But anyway, that's how it all works. All right, there you go. Another 45 half case.